Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for consulting services. Whether you are a consultant receiving payments or a client making payments, InfinitePay.io simplifies the process. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the consulting services or payments section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to consulting services. Now to receive payments for your consulting services, create an invoice or payment request through your InfinitePay.io account. Include details such as the consultation description, amount due, and payment terms. Now if you want to make a payment for consulting services, select on send payment option, enter the recipient's details including their payment information and the amount to be paid. Now review the payment details and confirm the transaction. Be sure to include any references or notes related to the consulting services being paid for. Now after doing that, you can track and manage payments through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can even monitor payment statuses, view transaction history, and resolve any issues that may arise. Ensure that both parties have their payment details correctly set up to facilitate smooth and secure transactions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for consulting services. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your consulting activities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.